So over here you can see that I have this particular model right here. If I were to go ahead and take the tape measure tool right here and measure it from bottom to top right here, just like this, then you'll be able to see that this is 11 feet long. But let's say I want it to be exactly 10 feet. In that case, you can go ahead and use the tape measure tool itself to go ahead and resize out the object as well. So first of all, for that, you do need the tape measuring tool selected. Then over here on the corner, so let's just go ahead right here. On the corner right here, the end point, let me click right here, just like this, click and release. And then I'm going to go around all the way onto the top on the other corner point and then click and release right here. So now you can go ahead and type in the length. Let's say I want 10 feet, so I'm typing it 10. And then over here you can see the value. You don't need to actually go ahead and click because it's always waiting for your input. So once I type in 10 and then add in, let's say, in a foot right here, press enter. Then what happens is that it asks you, right, do you want to resize the model? Note that the components within the model that were loaded from external file will not be resized, as you can see right here. In my case, I have a model which has been modeled right here in SketchUp itself. So let's just go ahead and say yes. And now it's exactly resized to 10 foot, as you can see right there. And that is how you can go ahead and resize out objects using the tape measure tool inside of SketchUp. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.